In a steam cracker, the convection section carries the most thermal load and is very sensitive to fouling. Excessive fouling will lead to increased fuel consumption, higher emissions, and decreased availability. Traditional technologies utilized to address fouling, it typically only clean up to maximum 40% of the convection tube's surfaces, failing to penetrate deep into the bank. IGS Tube Tech has developed a robotic, no-man entry convection section defouling ROV that achieves over 95% cleanliness. Ethylene producers see an increase in fuel savings, CO2 reduction, stack temperature reduction, and greater run lengths, with a typical payback of less than 4 months. Based on the current operational data of the steam cracker, IGS will carry out a thermal efficiency study that will determine the expected benefit. Contact your local representative to see how your plant is set to benefit.